that's good. Look.
Nice.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's Isella's first Valentine's
Oh, you're
Day.
videotaping.
Yeah.
And she got a cute bear.
And she got a...
She's so happy.
I can't take the
morning.
camera off her when she's just smiling like that.
You put it here. Hello, Isella. Happy Valentine's Day from your bear.
I don't think she wants to look at the bear. Oh, maybe she does.
Hi. Yes, good smile. Can you stick out your tongue? Stick out your tongue. Oh, she's like, what's that? She's so happy. Happy. Maybe she's going to the bathroom.
I think she had some happy juice before she went to bed last night or something.
When she gets a lot of sleep, though, she's usually happy.
Yeah.
And she got a lot of sleep. Well, overall, she got